Hello and welcome to the NVIDIA Tegra tablet setup guide. First things first, in your web browser go to nvidia.boxfx.co.uk/international and you'll be presented with a list of things to download. So first of all, right click on Riptide and click on Save Link As, and you want to download these files to a location of your choice, but for this example I'm just going to download them to a USB stick. So click Save, and you can see that that's now downloading. Next, right click on Pinball, go to Save Link As and save it into the same place as you saved the previous file. Thirdly, you'll see a list of languages here, so you want to download the language that you're going to install on the tablet. For this example I'm going to use French, so right click, Save Link As and save it to the same location as the other files. Finally, you'll want to right click on install.html, save link as, and save it to the same location. Now once all these files have finished downloading, we can move on to the next step. So now we need to do a full factory reset on the tablet. So once it's booted up, in the bottom right, click here and then click on the settings, and we'll need to go to privacy and click on factory data reset and reset tablet. Then you'll need to click on erase everything. Now the tablet will restart, and once it restarts you can move on to the next step. So the tablet will take a few minutes to reset everything to the default factory settings, and then it will restart. After you've performed a factory reset, you'll be presented with a screen similar to this one. So I'm just going to press start, and this is where you set up your input method on this particular tablet. So I'll just click next, and you can set up your Wi-Fi, but for the purposes of this demonstration I'll just skip it, and set up location services in a similar way and the date and time. So now what you have to do is click on apps in the top right hand corner and find the settings. You may need to scroll left or right to do this. So click on settings, go to applications and make sure unknown sources is ticked and press OK. Then click on development and make sure stay awake is also checked. So now it's time to copy the files to your tablet. So now it's time to put the files that we've just downloaded onto the tablet. So open up the location in your computer. So for this example I had them downloaded to a USB stick, so I'm just going to plug that in and load it up. And now you want to plug in your tablet, and it will probably have to download some drivers and install them, and then it should auto load, but if it doesn't you can find it here in My Computer. So I'm just going to right click on that and open in a new window, and you can see here that we have internal storage, so I'll click on that and then you can see the directory structure. So go to the downloads folder, and then we want to select all the files that we downloaded previously and then drag them over to the downloads folder on your tablet, and they should copy over. If you're presented with any messages, just click yes to continue. So once all the files have finished copying successfully, we'll need to install them from the tablet itself. So now we need to install the files onto your tablet. So click on apps again in the top right hand corner and locate the browser. And when this loads up there may be an error message, just cancel this or press OK. Now click on the address bar in your browser and type in file : 3// SD card / download / install.html and press go. First thing to do is click on Riptide and install, and then wait for this to install. Once this is installed, press Done, then click on Pinball and install. Once this is finished installing, again click Done, and then finally click on the language that you're about to install. So in this example I'm going to install French, so click on French and install, and wait for that to finish installing. Now when this is finished installing, you'll want to click on Open. Don't click Done, click Open. If you do accidentally click Done, you can then just click on French again, reinstall, and then click on Open. Now this will open the Tegra demo app, and you'll need to choose the clock. So for this example, because I'm using the Asus, I'll click on Asus Time. So sometimes the clock won't look correct in the top left hand corner. In this case it is okay. So just to be sure, we'll click on the home button and then make sure use by default for this action is ticked, and then click on Tegra demo. Now we can see we have successfully installed the French version of the app. So if I click on, for example, Facebook, you can see the video loads. And if we wait a while, then the screensaver should run. Now, because this tablet is a Tegra 3 powered tablet, we can see that here on the Tegra demonstration app it says Tegra 3, and if we click on that we'll see that it loads the Tegra 3 video. And now I'll show you what happens when you install the app on a Tegra 2 tablet. So as you can see here, we have the English version of the app successfully installed on the Samsung Galaxy Tab, which is powered by Tegra 2. So if I click on the Tegra symbol, we can see that the video is Tegra 2. Now this is installed automatically depending on which type of tablet that you have. And that's all there is to it. So this concludes the NVIDIA Tegra tablet setup guide.